Guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So in previous video we are discussing about the universal gate. So there are the two gates are called as universal gate. One is NAND gate and another one is NOR gate. So in the previous video we are discussing about the NAND gate detailedly. So now we are discussing about the NOR gate. So NOR gate. So in the naming convention NOR. So here OR is present. So OR gate plus NOT gate. So OR gate plus NOT gate is called as NOR gate. So we are saying this is as OR gate followed by NOT gate. So this is noted as NOR gate. So if we implement the truth table of the NOR gate, so we are consider the two input parameters. So A as a input, B as a input, and Y we as a output. So we are saying not or means a plus b and then not means a plus b bar. So from this two input we get 2 to the power 4 means 4 combination. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So from this we are getting a plus b means 0. So output is 1. 0 0 1 means 0. 0 0 or means 1 we get 0. 1 1 1 we get 0 as a output. So from this expression we can say that when all the input is low we get output as high. So this is the reverse of all logic. So this is the reverse of the OR gate logic. So when all the input are low, then output is high. So the basic circuit diagram of the NOR gate is if A and B is the input, so OR gate followed with NOR gate. So this is the OR gate followed with NOT gate. So this is the Y is equal to A plus B bar, or we can say simplest form A and B is the OR gate, A or B the input, and this is the OR, and if we bubble then we get the NOR gate. So A plus B bar. So this is the minimized form of the NOR gate. So for AND gate, similarly for the NOR gate, one combination is there. So the formula is A plus B bar from the NOR gate. So we can say this is the A bar dot B bar. We can say. So if we are just saying that this is also a De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. This is a De Morgan's law. So if A and B is the two input parameter, so A B, and then we can consider as A plus B, and then A plus B bar, then we can consider as A bar, then B bar, then A B A bar dot B bar. So it's two input parameter. So this is the input. So two input we are having 4 combination. So 2 to the power 2 having 4 combination. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, this 4 combination. So A plus B means OR. If we get OR, any one of the input is high, output is high. So this is complement. So 1 0 0 0. A bar means 0 0 complement is 1 1 and 1 1 complement is 0 0, and B bar 0 1 0 1 means 1 0 1 0. And if we doing this thing as a end, so this is 1, and apart from the all the gates are 0. So these two are getting the same as the output. So for that we can say that A plus B bar as a bar dot B bar.